Hi everyone, today I'm so excited. I just received my order. I ordered the Cricut Explore Air 2. I ordered this from Michael. Supposedly the Cricut Air Explorer 2 is faster than the older version. And along with that I ordered some basic tool set and the transfer tape. And I also have the Cricut mat. This is a 12 by 12 mat. And I also have the larger one. This one is 12 by 24. And along with that, I ordered some plain t-shirts for later on project. And I also have the adhesive vinyl sheets. I ordered this one from eBay. Okay, let's go back to our box. Let's unbox the Cricut Explore Air 2. Okay, let's open the brown box. And inside this brown box, there's another white box. Let's bring the white box out. Here it is, Cricut Explore Air 2. This one that I ordered is color black, but they have a few other color that you can choose from. Let's check inside the box, see what comes with our machine. I see a blue mat. This is a 12 by 12 mat. The one that I ordered was green, so now I have an extra mat. And the Cricut Explore Air 2 welcome book. And then inside there's a pen. And also the power plug. And the USB plug. That's it. And now let's check our machine. Wow, shiny black. Let's turn it around so we can see the front. Let's pull the tape out. And here's the power button to turn the machine on and off. And we also have the knob here to switch which project you're making, if it's paper, vinyl, cardstock. And we also have a pencil holder. And here's the open button. Let's press it. And it's nice and clean, and it has this shiny chrome on here. It's a Cricut Cut Smart 2. And I see it's also come with the blade. So we have the blade and the pen that comes with it. Well, it looks really nice. And over here we have some storage space. Here's the small one, and here's the big one. You can store all your tools in there. Okay, let's close it. Everything is nice and clean. And I really like the machine, so it looks really nice.